Ready to upgrade your cycling experience like never before? In today's video, we're revealing 42 next-level bicycle gadgets and accessories on Amazon that are smarter, safer, and way more fun to use. From clever safety upgrades to innovative accessories that boost comfort and performance, these picks can completely transform every ride. Whether you're a daily commuter or a weekend rider, watch till the end. You won't want to miss a single game-changing bicycle gadget. Number 1. SeatyLock Saddle Lock. Leaving your bike parked can be stressful when seats disappear easily. The SeatyLock Saddle Lock secures your saddle with a built-in steel cable that locks directly to your bike frame. Durable, weather-resistant materials protect against tampering while blending into the seat design. Lightweight construction avoids added bulk, perfect for commuters and city riders. This clever lock prevents theft without extra chains, keeping your saddle safe wherever you park. Number 2. BLITZU Bike Light Set. Riding in low light puts cyclists at risk fast. The BLITZU Bike Light Set boosts visibility with powerful front and rear LEDs seen from long distances. Multiple lighting modes adapt to traffic and weather conditions. USB rechargeable batteries eliminate disposable waste. Lightweight, water-resistant construction ensures reliability year-round. Ideal for commuters and night riders, this light set adds confidence, safety, and peace of mind on every ride. Number 3. PADONOW Bike Alarm. Bike theft happens quickly and quietly. The PADONOW Bike Alarm scares thieves away with a loud motion-triggered siren. Sensitive sensors detect movement instantly, while adjustable settings reduce false alarms. Compact weather-resistant design mounts discreetly on frames or under seats, perfect for urban commuters. This alarm adds a strong layer of protection, alerting everyone nearby and helping keep your bike secure wherever you park. Number 4. eMjollRay Bike Alarm. Leaving bikes unattended creates constant worry. The eMjollRay Bike Alarm delivers high decibel sound when motion is detected, instantly drawing attention. Wireless remote control lets you arm or disarm easily. Durable, waterproof casing ensures reliable performance outdoors. Ideal for city riders and travelers. This alarm deters theft effectively, giving peace of mind without bulky locks or complicated installation. Number 5. Granite Stash RCX Tool. Mechanical issues can stop rides at the worst time. The Granite Stash RCX tool hides essential repair tools inside your bike's steerer tube. Precision machined metal construction ensures strength and durability. Secure installation keeps tools silent while riding. Perfect for trail and road cyclists. It provides quick access to hex keys and bids without cluttering pockets, keeping bikes clean and riders prepared. Number 6. Cygolite Hotrod Tail Light. Rear visibility saves lives in traffic. The Cygolite Hotrod Tail Light delivers ultra-bright LEDs visible from long distances. Multiple flash patterns maximize attention during day or night riding. Lightweight, water-resistant design mounts securely to most Seatposts. USB rechargeable battery ensures convenience. Perfect for commuters and road cyclists, this taillight dramatically improves safety and helps drivers notice you sooner. Number 7. REDSHIFT ShockStop Seatpost. Rough roads can make long rides painful. The REDSHIFT ShockStop Seatpost absorbs bumps and vibrations using adjustable elastomer suspension. High-quality aluminum construction ensures durability without adding excessive weight. Easy installation fits most bikes. Ideal for commuters and endurance riders. It reduces fatigue, improves comfort, and protects your body from harsh impacts during everyday rides. Number 8. RNS Triangle Frame Bag. Carrying essentials in pockets affects comfort and balance. The RNS Triangle Frame Bag fits neatly inside the bike frame, storing tools, phones, and snacks securely. Water-resistant materials protect items from weather, while slim design avoids knee interference. Strong straps keep it stable on rough roads. Perfect for commuting or touring, this bag adds practical storage without compromising ride quality. Number 9. Hcikoat turn signal light. Hand signals can be hard to see in traffic. The Hcikoat turn signal light clearly shows left and right turns using bright LEDs. A handlebar remote allows easy control without removing hands. Durable, weather-resistant construction ensures reliability. Perfect for city cycling, this smart light improves communication with drivers and adds a strong safety upgrade for busy roads. Number 10. Stompump Foot Bike Pump. Hand pumps can be tiring and slow. The Stompump Foot Bike Pump inflates tires quickly using foot-powered pressure. Durable materials handle high PSI, while compact design makes it easy to store or carry. Compatible with common valve types, it's perfect for home or roadside use. This pump saves effort, speeds inflation, and keeps riders rolling with minimal hassle. Number 11. RBRL Bar End Mirror. Constantly turning your head can reduce control. The RBRL Bar End Mirror provides a clear rear view without shifting focus forward. Adjustable angles offer wide visibility, while vibration-resistant design keeps the image steady. Durable materials withstand daily riding. Perfect for commuting and road cycling, this mirror improves awareness, reduces sudden movements, and enhances safety in traffic. Number 12. BBDKL Smart. Bike helmet standard helmets lack visibility features. The BBDKL Smart Bike Helmet integrates bright LED lighting and smart alerts into impact protection. Lightweight construction ensures comfort, while adjustable straps provide a secure fit. Rechargeable lights improve visibility day and night. Ideal for commuters, this helmet adds safety, modern style, and peace of mind during every ride. Number 13. CYCPLUS GPS Bike Computer using phones for tracking drains battery quickly. The CYCPLUS GPS Bike Computer records speed, distance, and routes accurately. Clear display stays readable in sunlight, and long battery life supports extended rides. GPS data helps analyze performance and progress. Perfect for training or commuting, it offers distraction-free tracking that keeps riders focused on the road ahead. Number 14. Rehook Chain Tool. Drop chains can stop rides instantly. The Rehook chain tool fixes chain issues quickly without getting hands dirty. Compact design fits in pockets or bags, and strong materials handle repeated use. Simple hook mechanism lifts the chain back onto gears easily. Ideal for commuters and casual riders, it saves time, keeps hands clean, and prevents roadside frustration. Number 15. PADONOW. Alarm tail light visibility and security often require separate devices. The PADONOW alarm tail light combines bright rear lighting with a loud motion alarm. LEDs keep you visible, while alarm deters thieves when parked. Weather-resistant design ensures reliability. Perfect for city riders. This 2-in-1 device improves safety on the road and security when stopped, reducing the need for extra accessories. Number 16. TINANA LED wheel lights. Night riding can feel invisible to traffic. TINANA LED wheel lights light up spinning wheels with colorful patterns, increasing side visibility dramatically. Durable, waterproof construction handles weather conditions. Easy installation fits most bikes. Perfect for commuters and night riders. These lights add safety while making bikes stand out with eye-catching style after dark. Number 17. RAVEMEN TR150 Taillight. Rear lights must grab attention fast. The RAVEMEN TR150 taillight delivers strong brightness with wide-angle visibility. Smart light modes adjust intensity based on conditions. Lightweight, durable design mounts securely. USB rechargeable battery ensures convenience. Ideal for urban and road cyclists, this taillight enhances awareness, reduces accidents, and keeps riders visible in busy traffic. Number 18. SIGTUNA Folding Bike Lock. Traditional locks are bulky and hard to carry. The SIGTUNA Folding Bike Lock offers strong security in a compact folding design. Hardened steel plates resist cutting and prying, while smooth coating protects frames. Easy mounting keeps it accessible, perfect for commuters. This lock balances portability and protection, making daily bike parking safer and more convenient. Number 19. NumberLader Pro Bike Speaker. Using earbuds blocks important sound. The XLEADER Pro Bike Speaker delivers loud, clear audio while keeping ears open to traffic. Waterproof construction handles rain and splashes. Long battery life supports extended rides. Easy mounting fits handlebars securely. Perfect for music, podcasts, or navigation prompts. This speaker adds fun without compromising safety. Number 20. OFASONO Fingerprint Bike Lock Keys and combinations are easy to forget. The OFASONO Fingerprint Bike Lock unlocks instantly with your fingerprint, offering fast, keyless security. Hardened metal construction resists cutting attempts. Weather-resistant design ensures outdoor reliability. Perfect for commuters and tech lovers, this smart lock combines convenience, security, and modern innovation to protect bikes effortlessly. Number 21. Finish Line Chain Cleaner. Finish Line Chain Cleaner is designed to quickly remove grease, grime, and road dirt from bike chains without harsh scrubbing. Its powerful yet bike-safe formula penetrates deep into chain links to restore smooth performance and reduce drivetrain noise. Ideal for regular maintenance, it helps extend chain and cassette life. Easy spray application makes it suitable for beginners and experienced riders who want faster, cleaner, and more efficient bike care. Number 22. REDSHIFT Arclight Pedals. REDSHIFT Arclight pedals combine high-quality flat pedals with integrated LED safety lights for increased nighttime visibility. The lights face forward and backward, making riders more noticeable from multiple angles. Though with durable materials and a strong grip surface, these pedals improve control while enhancing road safety. Rechargeable batteries and weather-resistant construction make them perfect for commuters and urban cyclists riding in low-light conditions. Number 23. WUYXPG LED Strip Lights. WUYXPG LED strip lights add a stylish and highly visible glow to your bike frame, wheels, or accessories. Designed for easy installation, these flexible strips enhance nighttime safety by improving side visibility. Multiple lighting modes allow riders to choose between steady or flashing effects. Water-resistant construction ensures reliable use in different weather conditions, making them ideal for riders who want both safety and visual customization. Number 24. RAVEMEN CL01. Taillight RAVEMEN CL01. Taillight RAVEMEN CL01. Taillight is a compact yet powerful rear light designed for daily commuting and night rides. It offers multiple brightness and flashing modes to suit different traffic conditions. The wide-angle beam improves rear visibility, helping drivers spot cyclists sooner. USB rechargeability and a secure mounting system make it convenient and dependable for regular use, especially for riders focused on safety and simplicity. Number 25. Rehook Tyre Glider. Rehook Tyre Glider is a clever tool that helps guide a slipped bike chain back onto the drivetrain without getting hands dirty. Lightweight and easy to store, it's perfect for roadside fixes or daily commuters. Made from durable material, it works with most bikes and reduces frustration during chain drops. A simple but practical accessory every cyclist can appreciate. Number 26. WINFAVO Bike Toolkit. WINFAVO Bike Toolkit and WINFAVO Bike Toolkit includes essential tools for basic repairs and adjustments on the go. Compact and lightweight, it fits easily into saddlebags or backpacks. The multifunction design allows riders to handle common issues like loose bolts or seat adjustments. Built from durable materials, it's ideal for casual riders, commuters, and touring cyclists who want reliable emergency repair support. Number 27. Canway Bike Taillight. Canway Bike Taillight provides bright rear visibility with multiple lighting modes for day and night riding. Its compact design mounts easily under the seat or on the seat post. USB rechargeable convenience eliminates battery replacements. Designed to improve safety in traffic, this taillight helps ensure riders are seeing clearly from behind, especially during low-light commutes or evening rides. Number 28. BAFANG e-bike display. BAFANG e-bike display offers clear, real-time riding data including speed, battery level, distance, and assist mode. Designed for BAFANG e-bike systems, it improves control and riding awareness. The screen is easy to read in various lighting conditions and built to withstand daily use. Ideal for e-bike riders who want better monitoring, efficiency, and a more informed riding experience. Number 29. RAINSMORE Rack Bag. RAINSMORE Rack Bag. RAINSMORE Rack Bag provides practical storage for commuting and touring cyclists. Designed to mount securely on rear racks, it offers multiple compartments for tools, clothing, or daily essentials. Durable, water-resistant materials help protect contents from light rain and road splash. A structured design keeps items stable while riding, making it a reliable choice for longer trips and everyday transport. Number 30. BLITZU Brights Frame Light. BLITZU Brights Frame Light adds colorful illumination to your bike frame for increased night visibility and style. Easy to install without tools. It wraps securely around frame tubes. Multiple lighting modes allow riders to stand out in traffic or group rides. Water-resistant construction ensures dependable performance, making it ideal for kids, commuters, and cyclists who value both safety and fun. Number 31. TITANA Chain Bike Lock. TITANA Chain Bike Lock combines strong steel links with a protective fabric sleeve to prevent scratches. Designed for securing bikes, scooters, or gates, it offers solid resistance against cutting attempts. The flexible chain design makes locking easier around poles or racks. Suitable for daily urban use, it provides a practical balance between portability, strength, and everyday theft protection. Number 32. BUP Silicone Phone Mount. BUP Silicone Phone Mount offers a simple and secure way to keep your phone visible while cycling. Its stretchable silicone design fits various phone sizes and absorbs road vibrations. Easy installation makes it great for quick setup and removal. Ideal for navigation or fitness tracking. This mount suits commuters and casual riders who want convenience without bulky hardware. Number 33. WSD-SCAM Smart Bike Light. WSD-SCAM Smart Bike Light features intelligent lighting modes that respond to braking and motion. Automatic brightness adjustment enhances safety without manual control. USB rechargeable and weather resistant. It's built for everyday riding. The smart sensor technology improves visibility in traffic, making it a great option for commuters who want advanced safety features with minimal effort. Number 34. REDSHIFT Bike Headlight. REDSHIFT Bike Headlight delivers strong forward illumination for night riding and low light conditions. Multiple brightness modes allow riders to adjust light output based on environment and battery needs. Its durable housing and secure mounting system ensure stability on rough roads. USB rechargeability adds convenience, making it suitable for commuters, trail riders, and anyone prioritizing clear road visibility. Number 35. Park Vision Rearview Camera. Park Vision Rearview Camera enhances cycling awareness by providing a clear view of traffic behind. Mounted at the rear, it transmits real-time visuals to a display unit, reducing the need to look back. Ideal for e-bikes and commuters, it improves confidence in busy roads. Weather-resistant design ensures reliable performance during daily rides. Number 36. UP WUYXPG Demonized Light. A WUYXPG Demonized Light adds a bold visual effect to bikes, motorcycles, or helmets. Designed for decorative lighting, it improves visibility while giving a unique style. Easy installation and multiple lighting modes allow personalization. Water-resistant construction ensures durability, making it suitable for night rides, events, or riders who want a distinctive and eye-catching look. Number 37. Zoodoff Bike Light Set. Zoodoff Bike Light Set includes both front and rear lights for complete riding visibility. Multiple lighting modes support daytime and nighttime safety. Compact, lightweight design makes them easy to install and remove. USB rechargeable batteries provide convenience and reliability, ideal for commuters and casual riders looking for an affordable, all-in-one lighting solution. Number 38. Airbang Mini Bike Pump. Airbang Mini Bike Pump is a compact and portable inflation solution for road and mountain bikes. Designed to fit easily in pockets or frame mounts, it delivers efficient air pressure during emergencies. Durable construction ensures long-term use, while compatibility with common valve types adds versatility. A must-have tool for riders who value preparedness on every ride. Number 39. BRISKMORE Bar End Mirrors. BRISKMORE Bar End Mirrors improve rear visibility without turning your head, increasing safety in traffic. Adjustable angles allow riders to customize their view for different riding positions. Built with sturdy materials, they stay stable even on rough roads. Ideal for commuters and touring cyclists, these mirrors enhance awareness and confidence during everyday rides. Number 40. iGPS Port Radar Taillight. iGPS Port Radar Taillight combines bright rear lighting with radar technology to detect approaching vehicles. Alerts notify riders of traffic from behind, improving situational awareness. Designed for road safety, it pairs with compatible bike computers. Rechargeable and weather-resistant, it's ideal for serious cyclists who ride in busy environments and want advanced safety support. Number 41. Trilancer Bike Rack. Straps. Trilancer Bike Rack straps provide secure fastening for cargo on bike racks. Made from strong, stretchable materials, they keep bags, boxes, or gear firmly in place. Easy to use and lightweight, they're ideal for commuting, touring, or grocery runs. These straps add stability and peace of mind when carrying extra loads on your bike. Number 42. Whale Fall Frame Bag. Whale Fall Frame Bag fits neatly inside the bike frame, offering convenient storage without affecting balance. Ideal for tools, snacks, or small accessories, it keeps essentials within reach. Durable, water-resistant materials protect contents during rides. Its slim design suits road and mountain bikes alike, making it a practical choice for daily riding and longer cycling adventures. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. These 42 next-level bicycle gadgets and accessories on Amazon can upgrade comfort, safety, and performance. Check the description for links and take your cycling experience to the next level.